morning, everybody. It is September 8th, 2022. It's a Thursday morning, and Kevin and I got a project going on. We're harvesting the rest of the corn, and we're trying a new thing this year. We take the corn off the stalks, and then we're going to freeze it whole in the husk, and we're going to not have to blanch it. So that would be great. So I have one that I cut. I'm just going to show you, then I'll put you on the time lapse. I think Kevin has a time lapse outside also of us, picking it off. And here we go. So we're in the kitchen, of course. These are the ones that we had picked. Of course, with Blackie, we always have to have a cat helping out. And we picked them and put them in our gorilla cart, which we love. And I just wheeled it right in the kitchen. I'll clean the floor later. And on the counter, I went ahead and got our big knife and sharpened it over here. I love this little sharpener. It's Chef's Choice. Yeah, that's what Chef's Choice. And it's really easy to keep them nice and sharp. So what you do is you go ahead and get your corn, and you cut off a little bit on each end. And that's about what I did on the last one. It was a little smaller kernel than this one. So a cob, not kernel. And then you take off just like a layer or two, so you don't have the the dirt involved. Then you put this, without doing anything to it, in the Ziploc bag. And I labeled a bunch 2022. I didn't write corn on it because we all know this is a corn. And we line them all up in here, seal it right over, and then stack it really nice in the freezer. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully we like it as well as we've seen other people do this in the past, and they said it tasted great the next year. All right, you guys. Talk to you later. again, and mission accomplished. We have put all the corn in Ziploc bags, and looks like we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and a half bags. So that's great, and it didn't take that long. Got done before lunch. So I'm going to put these all in the freezer, see if I can find some freezer space, and see how they taste all winter. Well, it was great seeing you guys again. Enjoy the rest of your day and keep smiling. Bye-bye now.